Here's a question that might hurt. If nothing changes in your life for the next year, would you be okay with that? Most people lie to themselves. They say, next month I'll start. But next month becomes next year, and next year becomes a decade of almost. What I'm about to share took me from stuck on repeat to completely unrecognizable in 90 days. Not 5 years, 90 days. Everyone talks about changing your habits. Wake up earlier, work out more, read books. But here's what nobody tells you. Habits don't stick because you're fighting the wrong enemy. You're not battling laziness. You're battling an outdated version of yourself that's running on autopilot. The real shift isn't behavior change. It's identity death. Let me break this down into 3 phases. Phase 1, the audit. For the first 30 days, you're not fixing anything. You're just watching. When do you reach for your phone? When do you say yes to things you hate? When do you quit the moment it gets uncomfortable? Write it down, every single time. This isn't about judgment, it's about seeing the patterns that have been controlling you without your permission. You can't change what you refuse to see. Phase 2, the rebuild. Days 31 through 60, you start building. But not with goals, with systems. Here's the difference. A goal says, I want to get fit. A system says, I train at 7 a.m. every day. No negotiation. Goals depend on motivation. Systems depend on decisions you already made. Pick 3 non-negotiables. 3 things you do regardless of how you feel. Mine were morning training, 2 hours of focused work, and no phone before noon. That's it. 3 commitments. Stack them daily and watch your self-trust rebuild from the ground up. Phase 3, the transfer. Days 61 through 90, this is where transformation becomes permanent. Start making every decision from your future self's perspective. Before you act, ask, what would the best version of me do right now? Not someday. Right now. This one question rewires your brain faster than any motivational video ever could, because you stop waiting to become that person and start rehearsing being them. Here's what nobody prepares you for. This process will feel lonely. You'll outgrow conversations. You'll lose people who liked the old you. That's not failure. That's the price of growth. Your environment always catches up to your identity. It just takes time. And the people who belong in your next chapter will find you when you become someone worth finding. 90 days. That's all it takes to become someone your old self wouldn't recognize. But it starts with one decision. Stop negotiating with the version of you that's kept you stuck. If you're ready to start, drop day 1 in the comments. I'll check in on your progress. And if this hit different, subscribe. I post videos every week on building the discipline to become who you're supposed to be. Your next 90 days start now. Don't waste them.